Hello, Logan from MacBook Question. I'm going to use this video to check this one CD0673 USB 3.0 to 2.5 gigabytes Ethernet adapter. This one, I will use two adapters. One has connected to my Windows 11 desktop. The other one, I would hook it to my Type-C OTG cable. I have installed Windows 10 of Bootcamp. I will connect this one to my OTG cable. When I just connected my Ethernet adapter to my desktop, I can just hear notification sound. You need not to install the driver in advance. However, if you just want to install the driver, that's okay. I would just attach the driver's link. To test the transfer speed, I would use just one Ethernet cable connecting my Bootcamp MacBook Pro and my Windows 11 desktop. Connect the network cable. Okay, here we can see the white LED just showing all the time, and the amber light just shows every seconds. Remember to hook it to the USB 3.0 female port. Remember to make the network connection stable and secure. Both of the adapters can show the white LED and the amber LED. I have set the IP address successfully in advance. I will show you how to use FF3 to test the transfer speed. Tap into CMD. Run as administrator. I would click to Windows. Check the IP address. Okay, here we can see this desktop's IP is 1.1. Go to my MacBook Pro. Tap into CMD. Run as administrator. I would run to Windows. Let us check this MacBook Pro's IP address. You can find this MacBook Pro's address is 1.2. I would set this MacBook Pro as a server. I would type app3.exe-s. Okay, we can see the server listening on 5201. I would type into app3.exe-c 119.2.168.1.2, then click enter. Okay, we can see that when I just run FF3 command, here we can see the bandwidth is 2.33 gigabits per second. If you are running macOS system, I will show you this CD0673 USB 3.0 to 2.5 gigabits Ethernet adapter can work normally on macOS or not. Okay, I have attached this Ethernet adapter to my Type-C OTG cable, and then connect the Ethernet cable to my Ethernet adapter. Here we can see the white LED just showing all the time, and the amber LED just lights. Let's go to Apple icon, System Settings, Network. Here we can see the USB 10 100 1 gigabits 2.5 gigabits LAN. If we can see this icon, it indicates that the Ethernet adapter can work normally on your macOS laptop. That's all. Thank you.